Imagine eating toast without bread, no flour, no gluten, high protein, and it actually keeps you full for hours. Today, I'm showing you how to make this savory cottage cheese toast that is keto-friendly, diabetic-friendly, and absolutely delicious. Hi everyone, welcome back to Eat Clean Daily. If you love simple, clean, high-protein recipes like I do, this one is going to become a weekly staple. This toast is made with just cottage cheese and eggs, no flour at all. And it turns into the perfect base for avocado, sprouts, eggs, or any savory toppings you love. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup full-fat cottage cheese, 2 large eggs, pinch of salt, optional, garlic powder, black pepper, dried herbs. For toppings, sliced avocado, sprouts, cherry tomatoes, cracked black pepper, chili flakes. That's it. Super simple. First, add your cottage cheese and eggs into a blender. Blend until completely smooth. You want a thick but pourable batter, similar to pancake batter. If you like more flavor, this is where you can add garlic powder or herbs. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Pour the mixture and spread it evenly into a rectangle shape, about 1/2 inch thick. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden and set. You'll notice the edges get slightly crispy. That's exactly what we want. Once it cools slightly, slice it like bread. Look at that texture, soft inside, slightly crisp outside. It bends like toast but holds toppings beautifully. Now for the fun part. Spread mashed avocado on top. Add fresh sprouts for crunch. A few cherry tomatoes for freshness. Finish with black pepper and chili flakes. Optional line: if you're diabetic, this kind of high-protein, low-carb base helps prevent blood sugar spikes compared to regular bread. This recipe is high-protein, low-carb, gluten-free, flourless. Great for meal prep. You can make the base ahead of time, store it in the fridge for 3 days, and toast it lightly before serving. Here are some delicious variations. Add smoked salmon, add a fried egg on top. Make it Mediterranean with olives and cucumber. Or turn it into a sandwich. It's extremely versatile. If you're trying to eat clean, reduce carbs, or just want something different from regular bread, try this. Let me know in the comments what toppings you would use. And if you love simple, healthy recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to Eat Clean Daily.